How to manage your tags on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your tags on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and click settings, and now go down and here you will find activity log. Click on it and then click this one, manage your tags. And as you see here, you can manage your tags, just manage anything you want and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you and see you in the next video.